Hi, welcome to Manhattan Zodiac Virtual Bar. My name is Katya, and today we are talking about forgotten classic. If you like cocktails, you probably tried several pisco sours before, and pisco sour was invented in Peru in 1940, but not many of you know that many years before that, in 19th century, San Francisco was obsessed with another pisco cocktail, and the name was the Pisco Punch. We still don't know exact recipe, but we know that it was concoction of pisco brandy itself, pineapple, gum arabic, lime juice and distilled water. You will not see a lot of pisco punches on the menus right now, but in the late 1800s that was not just a drink, that was a symbol of luxury, ambitious and wealthy San Francisco of Gold Rush era. The Pisco Punch was invented in Bank Exchange, that was a saloon which was situated in the Montgomery block. That was a huge building where Transamerica Pyramid is standing right now. Montgomery block was kind of headquarters of San Francisco scene that time, and a lot of artists and writers lived and worked in the building, including Jack London and Ambrose Bierce. Even Mark Twain was regular in the saloon, and it was said that he was drinking pisco punches while he met a local man who became an inspiration of Tom Sawyer character. Duncan Nicol, the local celebrity bartender, was working behind the marble bar of Bank Exchange Saloon, and he was serving pisco punches for eye-watering price, which was equivalent to $25 of current money. He promoted himself from a bartender till owner of the Bank Exchange by buying the salon. This is how big of a deal the Pisco Punch was in the city. Fair question, what was so special about that drink? San Francisco, being a port city, always had an access to amazing, rare and interesting ingredients, and some of these ingredients became inspiration for Pisco Punch. First of all, it's pisco itself. It's very strong and delicious spirit distilled out of grape juice, and it was brought by Peruvian miners and traders during Gold Rush. That was rare and unique spirit for that time. Second, pineapple. Pineapple came by the same ships as pisco came to the city, so it was imported, very rare and very expensive fruit that time. And only luxury San Francisco could let itself to juice this fruit into the drink, not only eat it. And this was the time when pineapple became a symbol of luxury hospitality, because owners of the stores would put the pineapples into the windows to show that they can. The third mysterious ingredient we are still not sure about, but some historians think that it was wine from Bordeaux, infused on Peruvian coca leaves. And this wine was banned later, but it was still legal that time. Probably exactly this ingredient made Duncan Nicol to limit the order of the pisco punches to 2 per person. And probably exactly this ingredient explains a lot of energy in prose of Twain and Kipling, who were big fans of the pisco punches. Unfortunately, Duncan Nicol had to close Bank Exchange Saloon during Prohibition, and he took the recipe of the drink with him to the grave soon after. He never shared the recipe with anybody, and he even acquired intellectual property rights for the drink. So we still don't know exact proportions and exact ingredients, but we will try to recreate the taste based on what we know. You asked what my favorite cocktail is? This is one of those, and it's delicious. I hope you will have fun with this recipe. Thank you very much for joining us. If you have any questions, please ask us under this video, subscribe our channel, and I will see you next time.